gold and silver both yet again traded in range so far. It appears the traders are waiting for the NFP data to bring some movement in gold and silver prices. We have seen since yesterday gold is staying within the no trade zone. So now what to expect with the US session and before the NFP data? Which position you should take trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold followed with silver to watch till the end. And yes, every like is a motivator for me. So do press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment. That's also a great support from you all. Also pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. Let's start. First we'll look into gold. And yes, for the latest market updates, you can join my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for gold here. You can find one thing here that the highs are getting lower here. At the same time, the lows are very well in place. 1930 is yet respected. Hence, this is a critical no trade zone. Highs are getting lower means it suggests that possibly the bears are trying to keep the prices down. That is what it suggests here. Now, if you look at the prices here, see the highs here are at around 38, 39 levels. Now it is reduced to 36, 37 and now it is almost 34, 35. In fact, 34, 35 itself becomes or is giving much pain for gold to pass. Also, this is the 20 period moving average and this suggests that there is possibly a little more bearishness. Also, if you look at the hourly charts, it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. Now let's even look into further detail. The stochastic is oversold, trying to come out of the oversold levels. The MACD has almost crossed over on the hourly charts and this is for a sell entry here. Now see here also this crossover happened at the same levels and then we have seen a sharp drop. You can see this. Same observation can happen. We have to be watchful and careful here. RSI almost flat here. Coming to 2-hour chart. Now on the 2-hour chart, see first of all 4 red candles, indecision candle and now price is willing to move up. Possibly this could be a reversal sign if and only if it breaks past by 1936, 38 and 40 levels. This could be a possible, this could bring possibly a strong reversal here. So till the time 1940 is respected, at least I will not consider this for a bigger rise. But yes, beyond 1940, little more bullishness can be expected. Also, one must observe here is, see previous candle has lower lows, higher highs here. So yes, it has shown a good swing and it is closed in green and this candle has opened above. So possibly this could bring a little rise and also this is preceded by 4 to 5 red candles and hence see one red candle, couple of green candles, red candle and it could bring greener candles here. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is in green here. It is trying to pull little up as you can see. First wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave is starting and see the top of this wave is little far above and hence possibly it could retrace a little on the upside. RSI is also almost flat. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts, moving averages trading with divergence and bearishness. 20 period moving average lying at around 1938, 39 levels. Also, if you look at the 3-hour chart, see the previous candle was of indecision. It has to break past by the highs of the previous candle, specifically 1936-38 levels. If it breaks, then only little more bullishness can be observed and hence a safe entry for you to buy is above 1940. Those who want to risk a little can buy at 1935 levels also. But see this candle is this candle shows that it is indecision and hence it can take a U-turn also and go again on the downside. Be careful. This is because see lower highs are seen here. So for it to rise, it has to break past the highs here at around 1938-39. Stochastic at bottom, MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence and bullishness, and you can see this crossover is coming at a little lower levels. Also, if you look at the waves here, see bullishness, then red, green, red, green, red, green, and this you can see this red and now trying to bring the greener part of it, which can pull the prices little up. If you look at the RSI, this is almost trading flat. Coming to the 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour charts, it is giving a slightly different picture here. Now you can see first red candle, indecision, and that is why I say once it breaks past beyond 1936-38 levels, then only you should expect that the bulls are back. And you can see it has opened below this, so it is almost a bearish signal. Possibly it could try to at least achieve 1930 levels before, in fact, if it has to rise. 1930 is a great support. Also, if you look at these two candles, you can see higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. So this is a consolidation zone. Hence, the selling entry at 1930 can be taken, but then the nearest support it will get is at around 26, 27, very nearby, and it has got a very good support at around those levels. So this is something you should watch out for. See, stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is willing to converge crossover. See, it is almost on the verge of a crossover. This might bring little more bullishness. See, it has seen a good waves here. Now, possibly it could retrace a bit on the upside. RSI is almost at bottom. Coming to the daily charts. Now, on the daily charts, I have again and again showcased this to you. See, this is the consolidation zone. You can see multiple candles trying to break beyond 1930, failing to do so, always getting a pullback, and the prices stayed at a lower levels. And then 1925 has become a great support. So, and if you look at the complete zone, 1910 to 1925 is most of the candles stayed in this zone, and then 1900 to 1930. So this is a great support zone here for gold. Only and only if it stays below this zone, you can treat this as bearish. Now, what has happened to, see, first of all, the bearishness is diminished here in these two candles. You can see it very clearly, it is evident. And then you can see this candle almost forming an indecision candle. Yes, it was outside Bollinger Bands also, and that is why we can see a closing above Bollinger Bands. Now, it is getting the support here at the downside at around 1932 levels from the Bollinger Bands here. Now, for the day, you can see lower highs are done. Possibly it could stretch the drop a bit, and if it stays above below 1927-26 zone, you can say or you can almost similar size of candle, which is almost $15, which suggests that it can try to drop till towards 1920 levels. Now remember, 1918 is my one of favorite support levels. So 1924 to 26 is the first zone, then 1918-21 is the next zone where it is going to get the maximum support. Achieving those levels, possibly we can see a pullback. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish looking downwards, and the RSI is also trying to look. So in sum, you can sell at 1930. However, be careful for 24, 26 levels. Very strong support exists there. Then 1918-21 levels will come into picture. And only if it trades below 1980, further bearishness will be seen. Else, possibility of a bounce back are very high. At the same time, on the upside, only rise, only buying entry is above 1940 levels. You can say that the bulls will try to take the charge only and only if you see gold trading above 1940 levels. You can expect then this should be treated as a reversal, and then we can expect a good bullish candle in gold. If it stays above 1940, one can expect that possibly we might see 1946 46.5 levels, and in fact 1950 levels also might get a, hence take your positions accordingly. Sell at 1930, buy it, you can in fact buy at 1936 also, but then 38, 40 are two major resistances. Beyond that, those who want to take a safe entry should wait for it to break out beyond 1940 levels for further bullishness. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on 7th of August. Limited seats, couple of seats are still available. You can reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, let's have a look at the movement of silver. You can see it is getting the support or resistance from the 20 period moving average and trying to trade in this bearish channel. Now it has to break past 2360 levels in order to confirm the rise here. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, see it is still trying to, after this sharp drop, it is a retracement channel, and you can see lower highs, lower lows here, and hence 2360 still becomes an important resistance. 2360, 70 and 80, these are three levels which silver needs to break past by in order to confirm the rise here. So you have to be careful while taking a buy position. Only buying entry in silver is about 2360 levels, and till 2380 we have to be watchful. At the same time, we can see first, second, third, three candles getting the support from 2340 levels. Also, the Bollinger Bandwidth is still limiting itself above 2340, which possibly suggests that there will be strong resistance on the downside. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for sell. You can see, but it is still on the early charts retracing a bit. RSI is almost has come out of the oversold zone, trading comfortable here. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at on the 2-hour, see prices waited here for the moving average to come down. It has come down till towards 2.6 levels, 2.36 levels. The price has achieved these levels and have dropped since then. If you look at the 2-hour charts also, see the bullish candles and see the bearish candles and the bullish candles. Also look at the preceding two candles, prices failing to stay bullish. have got a pullback, and hence below 2340 we can still sell here. Now when I say 2340, this price, that is the buying price excluding of spread, should be below 2340. Stochastic at bottom trying to retrace. MACD is trying to diverge and trying to complete the second or leg of this wave here, so possibly it could retrace a bit on the upside. RSI at bottom. Coming to 3-hour chart. Now on the 3-hour chart, see couple of observation here. We have seen preceding 4 to 5 red candles. Also you can see the bearishness getting diminished with the every candle. Also you can see the 2340 levels giving it a very strong support. Also you can see here that once this candle breaks out beyond 2360, that is the position beyond which we can expect a reversal till towards 2370 and 80 levels. That is a great resistance zone, and beyond that in fact we may see it hitting $24 levels. Right now it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. Now if you look at the stochastic, this is almost dropped a bit. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover here on the 3-hour charts, and this will bring the greener side of this wave, possibly bringing the price a little up. RSI oversold. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour chart, see preceding two candles, higher lows, lower highs here. Wait for a breakout and see preceding candle was a greener candle, and hence once it stays above 2350-60 zone, certainly you can expect that it will try to reverse more, and then you can expect 2380 and $24 levels. Also 20 period moving average sitting at 2380 and 50 and 100 sitting at 2420 levels, which is a great resistance. Stochastic almost at bottom. MACD is willing to crossover. It is converged a bit, but it is not yet crossed over. RSI is still trading oversold. Coming to the daily charts. Now see on the daily chart, first of all, yesterday's candle holds a very important role. You can see bearishness getting diminished. Also you must note that it was trading outside Bollinger Bands. It has got a pullback. Now if you look at this candle also stayed outside Bollinger Bands. It has achieved double bottom levels, and if it continues to rise, we may see 2380, and in fact it can try to rise for 2420 levels. Now if you look at the movement here, see after this a couple of strong bullish candles, this is still trading in this retracement channel here, and this is a bearish channel. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is looking downwards here. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy today 2360, expect 2380, $24 levels to get achieved. In fact, it can fly beyond $24 also. That is the buying entry, and a selling entry is recommended at 2340. However, remember 2330, 2320 are two very strong support levels, and below 2320 is where the more bears will take the charge, and we can expect it to drop till towards $23 levels. Also remember 23 is a very good support, and hence take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do watch the weekend analysis also. It will definitely add value to your trading decisions. Thank you.